Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad ke sangma menta kasngi ulahir sharibhoi ban plipat ba iki kamra kelas ba thamai jong karibhoi Synod College hom satsning nong pedeng ribhoi district ya kate ke kamra kelas ba thamai jong kate ke college nashna Haka Jinglut Kaba arhun rio point nyo ar lak Tyngka lingba ka scheme Chief Minister Special Development Fund arhaja apusan arhajar apun rio Haka nikasi lawan banyadan ringkat daw menteri katanat CNRD ka jilla uba Sostene Sotun UMLA ka Omsning u Dr. Celestin Lingdo UMLA ka Nobo uba Middle Bonds Aim UMLA ka Mahati uba Charles Marngar u Principal ka College uba Precious Star Timung nalor kinong yalam ka Ribhoi Presbyterian Synod kinong hikai ki khana school bat ki pat ba nongsong snong ka than Omsning Habakran Haka nikasi Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad ke sangma uloong ba kajingkiu hi jong kajala ka shong Haka Jing penlut bat ka Jingbei Tyngka ha ki Briew ki jongka ka Jingbei Tyngka bat ka Jingnang Jingstad bat ka sap ka Phong jong ki Briew Kadei ka Jingbei Tyngka ka ba Khraw ka ba phila banle loong Conrad ke sangma dak baban batang ki yeng ki sem ne ki tiar gitar kinum shan slam henry haban phai khmat kumnu ban penang penstat ban kintiu ya ki khon samla u Conrad ulapen kan mauru ya ka jingla jong ka jilla ban jam sha umaumer ban yo ek engineering college ka ban ningkong kata ka Shillong Engineering College da ka bayat hu ba ka ne ka project kadei ka bala sa teng la bon snam ban hab ban ma shibon ki jing ban pendap ya ka kibriu kilayo ya ka jing play pat ba ya ka henry ki ki baya nadien ban pen urlong yaka kadei ka ba hadu kata yangi loong u Conrad
To really congratulate the governing body for the initiative of this college. You know, I have always believed, and this is something that has been engraved into our DNA, our thought process, of ensuring that human capital, as we call it, investment in the human capital, is the greatest investment you can do. While we need roads, we need buildings, we need infrastructure, but all of that is almost meaningless if you are not able to invest in human capital. If we have to see, and we would like to see our state grow in the future, in the years to come, if we would like to see that our youngsters will be competing at the top level, we have to ensure that the right nurturing and the right guidance is given to them. Just about 2 weeks back, you all must be aware that we have inaugurated our first government engineering college in Shillong. A project pending for many years, great difficulties. People only, of course, see the day the inauguration took place. But what went behind making that was very difficult for us. But we overcame those challenges, and today we have the first engineering college, government engineering college in Meghalaya in the form of the Shillong Engineering College. And I was telling the students that day and the faculty that we need to ensure that we are able to nurture and be able to bring out youth and the youngsters based on what requirements we see in the coming days and the years. And I was sharing with them that artificial intelligence, you'll be very surprised to know that artificial intelligence is growing by leaps and bounds, and Shillong and Meghalaya is a very, very integral part of this growth story also in one way. And just now while I was coming to this location, I got a call from one of the companies who set up their base here in Shillong, telling me that he requires 50 youths who have got AI engineering skill, which they will be training for 6 months and then employing them to work for projects under artificial intelligence directly from the US. And this is going to be done right here in Shillong, and they're looking at about 500 children in the days to come. Now I'm telling you this because I want to show you the possibilities that exist today in the world. We don't have to be closed in our mind and think that there are only 1 or 2 possibilities or areas we can work on. I want our youth to think big. And that's why I was listening to the speech of the principal when he mentioned that we have big dreams. And he was saying that we'll take time to get there, but we have big dreams. And I'm so happy to hear those words from a principal. Because if you don't have big dreams, there's no question of you achieving them. So therefore, dream big. Always dream big. Dr. Baum was mentioning about our school and the kind of investments we make. It is true. It's absolutely true. The investments government of Meghalaya makes in education, I don't think any other state government makes those kind of investments. He was mentioning about the government-aided schools, the private schools that are aided by government. Just to share the numbers with you, Nagaland, with again, no, I'm not trying to compare it to show them in bad light. I'm just giving you facts. Nagaland has 0 schools, 0 private schools which are supported by government. Arunachal has 68. Mizoram has 230. Tripura has 43. Manipur has 583. Meghalaya supports 4,172 private schools. 4,172. And as rightly mentioned by Dr. Baum, the amount of money we pay for salaries, 65% goes to the private schools. It's not to government schools. So therefore, there's a lot of effort that is being made by us to transform. But in spite of all of that, we see that our results are not up to the mark. In spite of that investment, we see that pass percentage is low, dropout rates are high. And then we look at that and say, we have a big problem of dropouts. We have a big problem of, pass percentage being low. We have a big problem because our overall ranking is very low. I just want to share with you, and I was sharing this yesterday in Amlarem, that is actually not the problem. A lot of times we all look at the result and we look at that as the problem. What we are talking today and telling all of you is actually what is happening, the result of the problem. Let me take a minute to tell you what is the actual problem. And I'll just give...
But I remember it has not crossed 1.5 years. My recommendation and completion of the project, that is rather simply too fast. Let us give a round of applause to our Chief Minister for considering this. Wherever we go, we feel proud that we have a young and dynamic Chief Minister who is interested on education, youth development, on music, and you name any field, he is knowledgeable. But one thing I would like to stress here today is the government is spending so much money in so many different institutions. I would like to read out here, only for the annual salaries for the colleges, that is including private and government, the government is spending 216 crores 67 lakhs 44,860 annually. And for the school, annually the government is paying 1,980 crores 71 lakhs 25,860 rupees. When we tell that number, we get jumbled up. But I would like to present to all present here, out of that total amount, you will be surprised to know, let's say the amount that I just told you is 100%. Salaries to the private colleges, out of 100, the government colleges get only 17% out of the total amount. The remaining 83% goes to the private colleges. From where will you get a government like this? They invest so much amount of money. And when it comes to schools, out of the amount I told you, take it as 100%. Government schools only get 35% of the total amount. Where does the rest go? It goes to the different private schools aided by the government, and that goes to 65% of the total amount. How generous the government is. But each one of us, the teachers in this college, the teachers in different schools, Dr. Bomb included, all the other MLAs included, if Meghalaya is at the bottom in terms of index on education, then we have to review. We are spending a substantial amount supporting so many private colleges and schools. Are we going wrong somewhere? That is the question we have to ask. And today, I will not like to speak so long. I'm very happy to tell everyone here that this road that we have come just now, it is all dilapidated, dusty, stony. The government has included it under the RIDF scheme. It will be allotted soon. I think our Chief Minister deserves a round of applause. And the connecting road, which is from down below, earlier it was constructed under the scheme called BTRRS, which was a one-time scheme, has no maintenance, has no repeats. But now through the state government, this also will be sanctioned in due course, which will add to the beauty and comfort of all the students who come to this college.
Officials in every field, be it the development of roads, the health department, agriculture, horticulture, the education department, and the overall development of the state, we could see that the state of Meghalaya is in a very fast progressing mode. It is because of the visionary leadership of a great leader, Sir Conrad K. Sangma, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Congratulations to Rivoy Senior College for the new classrooms that you have been sanctioned and completed through CMSDF. And I would like to inform or to tell in front of you all that not only in this college, but we could see many special fund being sanctioned by the Honorable Chief Minister. It shows that the leadership quality, the leadership role, or the dedication of our leader, the Honorable Chief Minister, for the overall development of the state of Meghalaya. The Revoy Senate College, I know that the service that you have been serving for the students of our district, especially for the students of these particular areas. It is with the sacrifice of all the reverends, pastors, the principals, the faculty members, who unitedly serve the students who are coming to this college. And as a minister, I would like to congratulate and I would like to wish the Revoy Senate College, right from the principal, for the service that you will be giving for the students, your continuing support for the students' community. And I'm hoping that with the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, we could see more and more progress, be it education or any other departments that our state will flourish.
Village in Jingnang constituency in Revoy today, and we are here at the Revoy Senate College, and I'm happy that a fund of about 26 lakhs was given under the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund for the building of this particular one of the floors, and we've just come to inaugurate it. So I'm sure there will be great blessing, especially to the youth of this area. Thank you so much.